Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the stock replacement axles from Tusk. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today, real quick, we want to show you the stock replacement CV axles from Tusk. If on your ATV or your UTV, your CV axles are bent, maybe broken, or maybe your CV joints are bad and it's time to replace those. These are going to have awesome fitment, great construction at a very good price point. And best of all, when you buy your new CV axles, check out our how-to videos on our YouTube channel. We have a great rebuild video for a CV axle. We show you how to remove it, how to rebuild a CV joint, and then how to put it back on your machine. So if you've never done that job, well, rest assured that video is going to help you out. We even show you all the tools, all the parts needed for the job to get it done. So make sure to give that a watch. But as far as how these are constructed, they're 4340 chrome-moly high tensile strength steel. So great construction. They're going to have the same fitment as your OEM CV axles. And then all your CV axle components are going to be CNC machined. So again, if you're looking for a replacement axle at a great price point, this is the best route to take. If you guys have questions or comments, leave those below. We'll get those answered. And to pick yours up, it's real simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, though, they are sold as each. And also, these are machine specific, so when you pick yours up, enter the make, the model, and the year to ensure that you do get the correct fitment. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.